You were the country manager of IBM, and I remember that all your life you've been working for people, and now you're your own boss. That transition, uh, how difficult was it?
It wasn't a difficult transition.
Which one is easier though?
What I'm doing right now is very easy.
Mm-hmm.
Like I mentioned to you, my life now revolves around childhood simplicity.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of people think that working in a cafe or running a cafe or in the hospitality industry, it's a lot of hard work.
Is it not?
It's not. It's physically maybe physically challenging, but I take it as something which I should do more when I was in the corporate world.
It's good exercise for you.
It's good exercise. Yeah.
You're at least 25%, 30% lighter than you were when you were in Brunei.
You're spot on. I'm actually 25 kilos lighter than what I was. Yes, I'm 25 kilos lighter than what I was. I have lost a lot of weight from running around what I do physically. But it's a good transition, a good change, because I no longer have high blood pressure.
You used to have?
I used to have.
Because of?
Losing weight is one. Once you lose weight, every kilo that you lose, your blood pressure goes down.
Oh, really?
Yes, and 25 kilos is a big amount of weight that I lost within 3 months. No exercise.
3 months of... so you started a cafe and you lost 25 kilos.
I started my first cafe. The first 3 months of running my first cafe, I lost 25 kilos. When I was with IBM, I was taking the business like my business.
Right.
So I was working as if the company belongs to me. One of the reasons is also because I'm the face of the company. You know how it works in Brunei.
Yes. So everyone looks for you.
Everybody looks for me. Everybody is relates to a business to a face. That's how it is in Brunei. So it's a lot of attention at the time, and I took everything as my business. And as much as I can, I try to spend time with my children as well.
But not enough.
Not enough. It's actually quite sad, when I was with IBM, I travel a lot. So much so that when my daughter, when she drew a picture of my family, there was one particular wake-up call. I wasn't in the picture when she drew a picture. I asked her, where's Daddy? She said, Daddy's working. And that was one of the wake-up calls that I had.
So that's a profound picture.
It's actually quite it's actually quite sad. So I told myself, look, I'm probably not spending enough time with my kids. I think I should spend a little bit more. There are things in life that changes perspective, and priorities in life is very, very important. What is important to you in your life? What makes you happy? What makes the people around you happy? It's actually more important than the money that you earn or the luxuries and status that you have in society. So that was the first wake-up call I had, that I should spend a bit more time, despite the fact that I tried. Trying and actually doing is two different things. When you try, it means you want to put some effort into it, but actually doing it is probably harder. Leaving the corporate world, leaving the luxuries that we had, in Brunei. Brunei is an amazing place, that I'm sure you understand, with Leon and kids. You basically don't really need to do much at home. Everything is all settled.
Did you have a helper when you were in Brunei?
We had 2 helpers, we had a driver, we had a gardener. So we basically do nothing, So we just work and come home and basically that's what we do.
Enjoy the kids.
Yes, that's how we are supposed to do. But sometimes we go home, we still work from home as well.
Yeah.
So that's life in Brunei. But it took me about a year to settle down here.
So was it difficult?
It wasn't difficult. It was actually the best times I had in my life.
The first year?
The first year. It was a bit of a struggle physically, but we got our Australian permanent residency about 9 years ago.
Right.
9 or 10 years ago. 10 years ago probably. Yeah, probably about 10 years ago. after that, we came to Perth. We take a look at the place. We were choosing between the different states of Australia, where to settle down. But we studied in Perth, so Perth is a very familiar place.
Studying here?
Yeah, I was in Perth. Yeah, I met my wife here as well.
I was in Curtin.
Yeah, probably during
When
the
did
same
you
time.
graduate?
That was 19. I finished everything in 1997.